Alright, next box. Right on top, whatever it is. We'll figure it out. Pretty small box. I don't know what's in it. Got notes. Yeah, doesn't mean anything to me. Be a rocker box of some type, probably not. Too small to be a head. I don't know. What kind of cover, maybe? Getting smaller. Good protection, double layered, I like that. It's good packing. Good packaging is a good thing to have. Must be something valuable. Where's the end of it? Over here. Ah, another ratchet lid. Cowpie lid. Just what I needed. Told you another cover. Getting a collection of these things going here. So this one, it's got another piece on it I didn't have before. So is that an fxwg? I think this is an fxwg, it's got a slot on it. This one's not all rusted to hell. It's been bead blasted. Looks nice. Looks better than the other one. Pretty heavily corroded on the outside though. Really heavy on the outside. But the inside looks nice. It's alright, I got other covers over there that look better on the outside with no guts, so we can mix and match and make parts. So, let's see what we got over here. I'm gonna buying binge on these things, I guess. So there's one. Where's that complete one I threw over here? Do it in the blast, I'll blast it. Yeah, there it is. So this is an fxwg soft tail. Basically anything that has a footboard on it, or a forward foot peg, uses this one. So see how there's a slot lever, just like this one. So this lever might be for this style, or it might be the FX version. The FX had a long lever that went straight up, and they had a cantilever thing. So this is soft tail. The other one had a different style lever. So if you look in the parts book, you know that stuff. You can see all the corrosion on this. See how this is lightly corroded, it won't be much pitting. This is heavily pitted. So see how this one here is not all heavily pitted. But on the inside we had a lot of water. And the inside of this thing is really heavily pitted. And this piece here was pretty nasty. This one over here, you can see the heavy pitting right here. Less than this one. Look how rusty this thing was. Ooh, terrible. But these other parts weren't quite as bad. So, probably take this housing off here, stick it on this one over here. Don't have two of these. So this housing is pretty rusty looking. They're all the same, 79 to 86. Cowpie's cowpie. The only difference is this lever here and this lever here. That's what denotes whether it's mid control or forward control foot peg. So other than that, they're all the same. Someone asked me how you get these freeze plugs out of here. So like any freeze plug, you put a hole in it. You put a seal puller in it, which is a sheet metal screw on a slide hammer. Go bang, 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 it pops it right out. The other way is to drill a bigger hole in there, and you can put your screwdriver in there or a punch and wedge it and just pop it out that way. So either way, those will come out. When these go back in, this is a half moon style one. It should just drop in the hole, and all you do is put a little depression right here in the center, and that'll spread it out and lock it in. But don't forget to put a little bit of sealer on the inside in there to help seal it, otherwise it might leak oil. So pretty simple to deal with. A lot better than making a big threaded bung that was a pain in the ass to do. That's quick, simple, and does work. So Harley used their head a little bit. You know, they look at a car motor. That's how freeze plugs in cars are done. So anyway, so this one here, nice looking cover on the inside, but the outside nasty. Well, that's alright, I got more. There you go.